Hello, I'm making this replacement speedometer lens that fits Aprilia RSV4, Tuono V4, RS660, Tuono 660, dorsoduro 900, shiver 900 and Moto Guzzi V85 TT, and I got a lot of questions on how to replace it. The first step is to cut the old lens off. I use hacksaw blade. You should cut as close to the bottom part as you can. Do shallow cuts, not to damage the insides. Then you'll have to cut out the remainings of the lens. I use utility knife for this. Use 2 M5 screws and put it in a vise. It will be easier to work with. If the lens doesn't slide in easily, you should file down these 6 legs. These used to hold the original lens in the factory while the glue was drying. If you are happy with the fit, you can glue it in. The original lens was glued with a polyurethane car windscreen glue. Run a small continuous bead in the bottom of a groove. Use rubber gloves at this stage, as the glue is very hard to clean off your hands. If you have a squeeze out, clean it with white spirits. Don't use any aggressive solvents, as it will damage the lens. Use painter's tape to hold the lens down while glue dries. If you have any questions or need this lens to repair your speedometer, just drop me a message.